So don't give up, love worth fighting for. Even if it hurts, you know. Don't give up, love worth dying for. Even if it kills, you know. Don't give up, just can't get away from everything that people say. So don't give up, love worth dying for. Even if it kills, you know. Hear me when I say it's like breathing. You know I will never stop, even if I break into pieces. Your love is everything I got, so I just can't get away from everything that people say. I just wanna know you're okay. So don't give up, love worth fighting for. Even if it hurts, you know. Don't give up.
Who you really are. But inside their minds, they are mocking and laughing at you. Even in the closet, they still mock you and laugh at you because they know who you really are. Because in the days of calamity, they will fish you out. I mean, those people who said you are not Igbo because things are okay, because we are in election time, because the atmosphere is good. Yes, they say you are not Igbo because everything is rosy. Now, when the time of calamity comes, the same people who said you are not Igbo will buy you. They will fish you out. They will steal, kill, and destroy you. Because of what? Because they know that you are Igbo. When there's calamity in the north, they'll find you out and kill you as an Igbo. When there's calamity in the west, they'll still find you out, fish you out anywhere you are, and kill you because of what? They know who you are. When the time comes for election, when the time comes for goodies to be shared, they will tell you you are not Igbo, and you believe it. Who can sink? Mumu, you believe it. You think you're with them. My dear, you're not with them. Your enemy cannot be with you. So, my dear, you are Igbo, and that's who you are. You cannot change it. God has made it and put a stamp on it that you are Igbo. You cannot change who you are. A man without true identity is a lost man. I keep on saying it. When you are Igbo and deny being Igbo, you have lost your true identity. Your enemy will see you as a lost man. You are in your eyes, you think you are wise. They're not wise. They are wiser than you. Because they're mocking you behind the scene. They're mocking you in the closet. Why in the public they will applaud you? Because they know you're a foolish man or woman. Ndị Igbo otu, Igbo all over the world. As long as American days are okay, or you are for work, you are Igbo. As long as you answer Igbo name, you are Igbo. Eat Igbo food, you are Igbo. Tie Igbo wrapper, you are Igbo. Ndị anyị na-eme Igbo. Ka ifo nwaanyị n'anya, nagachi azụ, ebe anyị si bịa, mana anyị nwe ofu, ka Chineke kere ofu ndị ụmụ Chineke. Ya gazie.